Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use Facebook Ad Library Scraper. Here are usually two ways. First, you can enter keyword. Multiple cities by comma separating. And second, you can enter multiple URLs. To get this URL, simply search Facebook Ad Library and open the first link. Simply select your country. Select an ad category and search any keyword or city. Now simply copy the displayed URL from the browser's address bar and go back to Tool and paste it in the text area. To use multiple URLs, simply use comma and search another keyword. Then copy the URL and paste it again in the text area. After, simply start the process. In few seconds your data will start appearing. Now keep your process in progress. After the process done, if you want to scrape websites, email addresses and phone numbers, first remove the duplicate data. Then simply click on Deep Extractor button. It will try to find the additional data from other reliable sources. Once your process will be done, you can simply download or export the records to the Google Drive. Thank you for watching.